Having trouble signing in to your Fillout account. Well, whether you're seeing an incorrect password message, not receiving a verification email, or the login page simply isn't working. This tutorial will walk you through the most common solutions, step by step. First, make sure you're entering the correct email address and password. Check for typing mistakes, extra spaces, or an enabled caps lock key. If you normally sign in with Google or Microsoft, be sure to use the same method you used when creating your account. If you've forgotten your password, click the Forgot Password link on the login page. Enter your registered email address and follow the instructions in the password reset email to create a new password. If you're waiting for a password reset or verification email, check your inbox carefully. Also look in your spam, junk, promotions, or other email folders. If you still don't receive the email after a few minutes, request a new one. Sometimes saved browser data can interfere with the login process. So clear your browser's cache and cookies, then close and reopen the browser before trying to sign in again. If the problem continues, try signing in from another supported browser or another device. You can also open a private or incognito browsing window to rule out issues caused by browser extensions or saved sessions. If you're still unable to sign in, the issue may be related to your account or a temporary service problem. Visit Fillout's Help Center or contact their support team. Include your account email address and a description of the error so they can assist you more quickly. And that's it. Those are the most effective ways to fix common Fillout login issues. Hopefully you're able to access your account again in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more simple technology guides, and thanks so much for watching.